Did y'all see that one? It went in. Well, I'd say we're starting to get full. Good morning, guys. Welcome back for another video here at Triple R Farms. My name is Daniel, and today is Tuesday, September the 12th. And here is what we got on tap for today. So as you can see, we got Wayne. He's going to be loading out seed trucks, and you probably saw the seed house. It is slam full. The problem is we're not getting enough trucks coming to haul out of the seed house. We got more coming in out of the field than we do going out of the seed house. So we're getting everything's full. I mean, we can't go up too much higher because we're afraid the seed house walls may bust out. So we got the wet tank behind me. It is slam full. We're emptying into the shed right now. So hopefully we'll get some trucks, some more trucks coming today to try to get some room in that seed house. But that's what Wayne's going to be doing. The case 120. We got a problem with it. It's got a DEF code going on with it, so it derated the engine, so basically we can't unload into the wet tank till we get Sparky from H&R AgriPower in Columbus. He's coming down here this morning, so hopefully he's not too far away. He's gonna see if he can get this thing running where we can keep loading in the wet tank. So that's going on. Let's see, of course me, James, Roy, and Mark going over there to the cornfield over in the valley. We're in the last field that we have of corn called the old soybean field. So we're gonna go over there. We're gonna get our trucks ready, combine ready. We got to blow out air filter, fill up DEF, fill up diesel, grease, you know what we got to do. And then we'll start cutting corn. So now you know what we got on tap. So let's get in the truck and let's get over to the valley. So that was Philip that we just passed in the tractor. So what he's doing, he's running the disc, the Landau disc, and we always try to bed this field. It always stays really wet, so we try to have it bedded. Usually we can get about 3 years after we bed a field, and after that 3rd year, the beds are just gone. They've just flattened and flattened and flattened. So it's time to disc it up. We'll go over it twice. We'll go over it at an angle this way, and then we'll go the opposite way. And then we'll run the bedder over it, and we'll bed this land back up, and then it'll be ready for next year. Because if you don't do it now, This fall it'll start raining and you'll never get in this field. But the reason he was headed back to the shop, something broke on the Landau disc. Let's go take a look. There she is. Well, there it is. The lift cylinder, this lifts up your wheels when you're getting ready to turn around, lifts up the disc. The cylinder broke, the shaft or whatever you call it. So the plan is he just unhooked, and he's gonna go grab our other Landau disc, and he's gonna get back to disking with it, and we'll repair that on another day. Come on. That way, just a little. All right, right there. All right, well, James will fill me up with Def, and you can fill me up with Diesel.
All right.
Well, somebody's got my pull pin. I hope that'll work. Well, I don't have a little pin for it, but we're not going far. James, you get me that big air filter. You get that big air filter off. Ooh, it's dirty. Thank you. What? Come on, Honda. Come on, baby. Let's go. So we're pretty much ready to go. We just got to grease the header. We have to do that every 8 hours, 8 to 10 hours. You have to grease these fittings across the front right here. Combine, we greased it at the end of last week, so he's good to go. I did have one breakdown yesterday. So if you'll look right here, the gathering chain sprocket in the front right here, I had a bearing go out and it popped off. Put a new one on, but we could not get the cap to fit on there right. So after we get through greasing, we're gonna run out there in the field. I kind of know where it popped off. I want to see if I can find that old cap and see if I can put it back on. If we can't find the cap, I did grab another brand new one. I got it in the truck, and we'll see if we can get it on there. It's just to keep all the dirt and stuff from getting in that bearing. Hang in there. We're gonna get you fixed. Can't find the stupid thing. I know it's right in this area, because this is where I choked up. So while I'm out here looking for the sprocket, let me show you what the corn conditions are in this field. It's pretty bad. So this summer we had some pretty bad storms that came through when this corn was growing. And we had some really high winds that came across here, and it has just laid this corn over. I mean, look at that. It is just about flat on the ground. So, what I'm having to do is the wind came from the west to east, and it pretty much has laid over the corn going this way. So this is what I have to do. I did it all day yesterday. If you go farther up the hill, you can find some good standing corn. And what I have to do is I have to cut through there and do like a racetrack where I'm always coming back this way when I'm trying to get this down corn. My header is getting pretty much 90% of it, so I'm pretty pleased with that. Those snouts are going, having to run them really low, like on the ground, but they are going underneath that corn and they're lifting up that stalk, and then it goes in the header. But it's just, main thing, it's just very time consuming. So I don't know if I'm gonna get through today, but we're gonna hopefully get pretty close. But it just really slows me down, but we want to try to get every corn ear we can. But that is the conditions. You'll see plenty of it today, especially when I get the drone up in the air. It's probably gonna look like a hurricane came across here. See, that's what happens. We missed that ear. It's just, golly, that's another one. Guys, I have no idea where that thing is. I have looked and walked around, but I guess I'm gonna pop the new one I brought on over here and hopefully it'll fit. But that thing just disappeared. So guys, if y'all want some Triple R Farms merchandise, if y'all want some visors and y'all want some hats and stuff, t-shirts, go to our website and check it out. We got the logo shirts right here. It says Triple R Farms. Something in my pocket. In the world? Oh my gosh. I had corn in my pocket. It doesn't come with corn in the pocket. But go check it out, and if you see something you like, go ahead and order it. We're trying to get rid of, we got kind of a sale going on. We're trying to make some room for the new inventory. We're gonna get some new shirts in, some new colors, some new hats and stuff. So we got pretty much everything on sale. You can get it cheap, and we're trying to move it so we can bring the new stuff in. So y'all go check it out. Well, that one worked. She's on there. Ooh, did y'all see that one? It went in. Man, this is pretty bad right here. Whew. I've been the whole corn harvest without having cab corn until today. So if you don't know what cab corn is, I'm about to show you, but it doesn't look good so far. That right there is cab corn. Corn on top of your cab. And that came from not paying attention, and I overfilled my grain tank and I had nowhere to go, so she starts just falling out wherever she can. Whew. Man, look at this. What a mess. This is by far the worst that I've been in. It is just almost completely 100% laid over, but it's still getting it, still guiding. So we're just having to go really, really slow. Still doing the racetrack. All I've got is a little bit left, and then we're going to be moving over to the other side of the road. Will not get done today, so we're going to have to wrap up corn harvest on the next video. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank y'all for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. If you want to do me a favor, click that thumb, means you like the video. That helps out our channel tremendously. And yeah, if you want to subscribe, click Triple R Farms logo over here. Other than that, we will see y'all on the next video, which will be the last corn harvest video. See you guys, we're out.